This program allows the user to generate either an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence. Now, uh, the user first chooses which type of sequence they want, and then enter the first term, the common how do I say, the common difference or common ratio, and the number of terms. And after that, the program then generates the sequence and also calculates either the sum or the product depending on which type was selected. Now, let me go ahead and run this program. Just double check here some things here. All right, let's go ahead and run this program. And all right. So for my first normal test case, I'll choose arithmetic sequence, and let's see here. Now for the first term, I'm gonna go with let's say 2. I'm gonna go 2, and for the common difference, I'll select 3, and for the number of terms, I'm gonna go with 5. Now, okay, so the program generates the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and the sum is 40. Now, this shows that the arithmetic sequence generator is working correctly, right? And let's go ahead and for a second normal test case, I'll choose. Let me go with geometric sequence right now. So for geometric sequence, I will go with as well 2 for the first term, and I'm gonna go with 3 for the common ratio. And for the number of terms, I'm going to select 5. All right, so this program generates the sequence as well, which is 2, 6, 18, 54, 162, and the product is about that's 1,889,568. And so this confirms that the geometric sequence generator is working correctly, right? Now, for my third case, let's see here. I'll use another arithmetic example, and let's say I just want to show that the program works consistently with different inputs. And let's see here. I'm gonna go with 2 difference. I'm gonna go with 8 in a number of terms. I'm gonna go with 2. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Now, I'll talk about. Let me probably close this. Let me talk about the edge cases. The edge cases which are covered in my JUnit test file here. Let me close this part here real quick. Now, I'll just talk about the edge cases which are covered in, like I said, in the JUnit test file. Now, all these edge cases here include arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 0, arithmetic sequences with a negative difference. They also have geometric sequences with a ratio of 1, a ratio of 0, and a negative ratio. The tests also cover single term sequences, empty sequences, handling for sum and product as well, and large geometric growth using big integer. Yeah. Now, yeah. Let's see here. Yeah. So again, so these tests are designed to check that both the normal behavior and the edge cases thoroughly. And so let's go ahead and check all of the test cases here once. Let's go and see. Okay, we have a test case here failing. Let's go ahead and double check that. Okay, so this is the test. All right, let me go double check this. happy that I ran this through. Oh, okay. All right, let's go double check that line. Let's see this over here. All right, so we are certain we expecting 29. All right, so let's go ahead and correct that. So with the value of 2, 6, 18, 54, let's go ahead and correct that. Yes, that is actually correct, because I remember the program, it ran for 1,889,568. All right, so let's go ahead and run this program again. Good. Let me make sure this is, I want to run the whole thing. All right, so all our 23 test cases passed. So yeah, I'm happy that this project helped me to, just like understand better the difference between arithmetic growth and geometric growth, and just like how sequence behavior changes depending on whether you keep adding by a constant value or like multiplying by a constant value. But yeah, I believe that will be all for my demonstration. Thank you.